Houses are still covered by water in Content, Manchester, and more communities are at risk. The Water Resources Authority is unable to say when rising groundwater will start receding. Ramarda Lyons has the details.
A beach with water bungalows. That's what the community of Content in Manchester looks like. But it's no resort. These are actually houses and properties sitting in water for over 2 weeks. By any estimation, the damage is insurmountable. Any wiring, sockets, electrical appliances, possibly irreparable, and board structures wet to a pulp and severely compromised. These look like pieces of board floating, but they're actually the roofs of properties. The rising water, which many have noted to be picturesque and visibly clean, has caught the attention of the Manchester Health Department. It has advised residents to avoid direct contact and notes that floodwaters pose a serious risk of contamination. It's also warning residents not to drink, taste, swim, or perform rituals in the water. But residents who spoke to TVJ News are not inclined to make contact. They are stunned by the pace at which it's rising.
Yeah man, we were here last week Sunday and that light post right here, if you look this side, you'll see the light post. Yeah, we use it as a marker to where we could walk. And we have a bridge right here that goes right across. If you look right across. So last week Sunday we could walk right across there.
Oh, we have this board. This was your makeshift bridge?
Makeshift bridge, yes. And we could walk go all the way across. Now, see where it is now. If you look down you can see how far. And then last week again they made some trenches to kind of divert the water. And it is still rising come all the way.
Here it's like a small waterfall, and more houses are being swallowed.
This house right here, I don't know if you can see the house there.
Yes.
You see cover right now. Last week Sunday we could at least see a section of the window last week Sunday. Now we can't see it again.
He says he experienced a similar issue with groundwater rising in the area in 2004, but not to this scale.
It is nothing compared to what it is now.
Now, other homes in different sections of the community are at risk. Water is also rising between the Windalco plant and the Kendall Main Road, just across from the world-renowned Pick a Pepper factory.
The sister live right, see that house right there? The sister house, you know. When you see it, you know, you're surprised to see water going at the garage. Right in the garage, the water there right, you know.
On November 13, Peter Clark, head of the Water Resources Authority WRA, explained what's causing the flooding in the community.
What is happening is that there's an aquifer. Water is flowing underneath the whole of those lands and those properties. But it is not the normal aquifer that a lot of you are accustomed to, which is a sand, earth kind of aquifer. It is more limestone. So because of the limestone, there are a number of conduits and caves and caverns that are underground. So the groundwater has been flowing into the area. What is happening also is that groundwater advances very slowly.
That period with heavy rainfall during and before Hurricane Melissa.
It means that our aquifer, in simple terms, filled up. And since it can't go forward as much, it has been rising instead.
Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.